Now, as many as 400,000 people have had to leave the city of Goma in the Democratic Republic of Congo over fears of another eruption from Mount Nyiragongo. That's according to the United Nations. A BBC reporter in Goma says the city looks like a ghost town. More than 30 people are known to have died when the volcano first spewed out lava at the weekend, and there are growing concerns about the number of displaced people. Raal San has this report.
Once again, thousands are on the move in Goma, in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The evacuation of nearly a third of Goma's 670,000 has been ordered as authorities say Mount Nyiragongo could erupt again soon. As word spread, many more decided to leave.
Authorities have said that people should follow the routes and directions on where to go in the event of an eruption. They said people should leave without panicking so as not to cause death or accidents. But unfortunately, when people see some fleeing, they go because they're afraid.
And this is what they're fleeing. Last weekend, lava from the volcano destroyed countless homes and killed 32 people. In its wake, the lava left nothing. Since then, aftershocks have destroyed many more buildings in the city.
A crack appeared just behind my house, a very big one that had to be covered up by people with stones. This morning the authorities said that wherever there are cracks, the inhabitants must move and leave these places. They told us to evacuate and go to Sake. At first we were reluctant, but then we saw that everyone was leaving.
The rush to get out has caused long traffic jams as the city's infrastructure struggles to cope. To avoid this, others are leaving the city by boat. For these people, who have already lost so much of the life they had, it seems their plight is not yet over. Raal San, BBC News.